What is happening? What is up, guys? It is the XRP General back again with another video for you today. I hope you guys are holding strong. Hopefully some of you guys were able to buy that giant wick down by the dip, baby. That was something that I had been paying attention to for quite a long time. It is the Wyckoff distribution event. It was setting up, just absolute textbook distribution here. I will show you. I had it all written up actually back in here. I'm pretty new to this method, but one of the guys I follow, Arcane Bear, shout out. I follow him, and he was talking about this quite a bit. And I actually, before he said it is what it was, I had hit him up on Instagram, and he said we had to wait till the trading range actually played out. Well, that trading range played out. It broke to the bottom. So these distributions, these Wyckoff distributions, look very similar to a Wyckoff reaccumulation. I will show you the difference of those coming up, but you can tell I have each of those written out right here, and I will flip back and forth. So first you have your initial. Here, I forgot I moved it over here. You have your preliminary supply up, and then you have your buying climax, and then your automatic reaction, and your secondary test, and your sign of weakness down below. And if you come over, it shows right here, preliminary supply, back down, automatic retest, sign of weakness. It literally walked all the way through that. You have the up thrust. The one thing that he was talking about before is on this up thrust, you didn't have the volume on big distributions. That up thrust, you're going to have more volume, and he didn't see it, so he thought that it was going to be a reaccumulation where you kind of come down here, and he thought this was going to be our spring, but we went way too far. I was still under the impression that it was a distribution. I texted my buddy last night, and I was like, man, if we break right here, we could go down to 30,000. I have it on the text messages, and what do you know? Like, look at that green line. It just tagged it perfectly. So where are we going from here? In my opinion, you have your distribution event, and then you're going to come down. We're going to most likely, I don't know if we'll go up from here or if we'll come back down tomorrow too and then come back up, but we'll come back up to these support levels right up in here at roughly $45,000 range. We'll go test that, probably fall back off of it again, and start a new trading range down in here, and that will be our reaccumulation zone right in here, and then we'll follow that. And I don't think this bull market is over, you guys. Do not freak out. Some of the traditional markets are having a little bit of a sell-off and all those things, and that could, that's a big part of this. But at the same time, what always happens in the traditional markets, without fail, what do? They support those markets. They'll pump as much money, as much fiat money into them as possible, and I think that will pump the markets back up. And then once everyone's like, man, the Fed really will have the markets back at every single point. What are they going to do? They're going to start losing faith in the dollar like they already have. Inflation is going to continue to go through the roof, and then we will see cryptos continue on their rise higher. We just have to wait. This has happened before, back a ways back. You have this huge move up, distribution event, down, reaccumulation, and then boom, once we get back up in here, let's say it goes till August. That's a good time frame. We could be right back up in here by August, and then we're back off to the races. Try not to freak out too much. Definitely don't sell. Whatever you do, don't sell. Not right now. You missed your opportunity to sell. You should have been, selling right in here if you thought it was going lower. Like, right, you should have stop loss right up in there. It breaks that, you're going down. I personally didn't take advantage of that. I figured out back here that it was a very good likelihood that we're going to have distribution event, and I was willing to write it out. I thought also that if Bitcoin went down, these altcoins, I got out of my Bitcoin back here, but these altcoins would be going up, which technically I'm still sitting really pretty, being in XRP and XLM. For the most part, they held on to a lot of gains. Yeah, man, I'm still doing really well, and I'll be here as best I can for you guys through this whole next trading range. We will keep an eye on it, and I hope you all have a great day. I will be putting out another video here soon, I am sure. Peace out, guys. This is the XRP General. Have a great day.